बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो रहमान और रहीम है।
इक़रा बिस्मि रब्बिकल्लज़ी खलक़।
पढ़ो ए नबी अपने रब के नाम के साथ जिसने पैदा किया।
खलक़ल इंसान मिन अलक़।
जमे हुए खून के एक लोथड़े से इंसान की तख्लीक की।
इक़रा व रब्बुकल अकरम।
पढ़ो और तुम्हारा रब बड़ा करीम है।
अल्लज़ी अल्लम बिल क़लम।
जिसने कलम के जरिए से इल्म सिखाया।
अल्लमल इंसान मा लम यअलम।
इंसान को वो इल्म दिया जिसे वो न जानता था।
Assalamu alaikum. We start our class with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful. Welcome to all parents and students in new academic session 2020 and 21. This is your class 4 and period is English language teaching E3. The course title of this subject is E3. In this subject we will study grammar. This subject is divided into two parts. One is for language and second one is for your oral word. In this class we will study this book. The name of the book is Primary School English Grammar and Composition. Primary School English Grammar and Composition, written by Wren and Martin. There are two writers of this book, Wren and Martin. I repeat the book name. The book name is Primary School English Grammar and Composition, written by Wren and Martin. This is a very useful and easy wording book. It has total 18 units and each unit divided into many chapters. In this term we will study noun, pronoun, adjective and then tenses. Then you have this is your E3 copy. In this you will do all the E3 word. First you have to fill the cover page with basic information like write your name here, class, section, subject, E3 and your roll number. Then open your copy. First page of your copy is also carrying your personal information. Write your name here, write your name, ID, father name, grade or level means your class. Write class 4, your section, roll number, subject is E3 and the prescribed book title is Wren and Martin or Primary School English Grammar and Composition. Then there is an index. Give the head as first semester midterm has been started. You have to make your index daily, date wise and week wise. Then you make the title page. On the first page of your copy you will make the title page of first semester midterm has been started, session 2020 and 21. I repeat, make the title page of first semester midterm has been started. It should be very colorful and impressive. Then turn the page. On next page you will make the title page of your unit of your chapter. Unit number 1, noun. As you know, this is your grammar class. So what is grammar? Grammar is the basic fundamental of any language and this is your English grammar class. What is English grammar? What is English? English is the name of language that is spoken and understood all over the world. इंग्लिश आपके पास एक लैंग्वेज का नाम है जो पूरे वर्ल्ड में बोली और समझी जाती है. व्हाट इज ग्रामर? ग्रामर इज ऑल अबाउट टू लर्न द रूल एंड रेगुलेशन अबाउट एनी लैंग्वेज. ग्रामर में हम पढ़ते हैं किसी भी लैंग्वेज के रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन. हियर इट इज इंग्लिश ग्रामर. इट्स मीन टू लर्न द रूल एंड रेगुलेशन ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. मीन्स इस सब्जेक्ट में हम इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के रूल्स और रेगुलेशन को रीड करेंगे. इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज देयर आर वेरियस पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच which are put together in order to frame a sentence. इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में बहुत सारे पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच होते हैं जो सब मिलके क्या करते हैं, एक सेंटेंस को फ्रेम करते हैं. What is parts of speech? Parts of speech explain how a word used in a sentence. Parts of speech आपको explain करते हैं कि एक sentence में word को कैसे use करना है. In English language there are 8 parts of speech. Number 1 is noun, second one is pronoun, third one is adjective, fourth one verb, fifth one adverb, sixth one is preposition, seventh one conjunction, 8 and the last one is interjection. Noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Pronoun takes place of a noun. Describing words are called adjective. Any action is called verb. Adverb defines verb. Preposition shows the relation between two parts of speech. Conjunction, joining words are called conjunction. Interjection, our sudden feeling or emotions are called conjunction. Now come to the first one, noun. Noun is our first unit and first chapter name is noun. Noun or naming word. Well, first we should know what is noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal. Interjection. Interjection shows our sudden feeling, emotion. For example, आपको अगर कोई चोट लगती है, what did you suddenly said? आप क्या कहते हो एकदम से? Ouch, मुझे चोट लग गई. इस तरह की जो आपकी sudden feeling होती है, जिन पे आपका कोई कंट्रोल नहीं होता, उसे हम interjection कहते हैं. Now come to the noun. Our today's topic is noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. What is noun? Noun is the noun or naming word. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal और thing. Noun क्या है आपके पास? किसी भी person means human being, us. Place जगह, जितनी भी जगहें आपके पास, पार्क हो गए, पार्क वगैरह. Then animal जानवर और थिंग चीजें आपके पास नाउन कहलाती हैं. इफ यू लुक अराउंड द वर्ल्ड you will find everything in this world has a name and that name is called noun. or in a simple word we can say any name is called noun. अगर आप देखेंगे अपने अराउंड तो आपको मालूम होगा कि हर चीज़ इस दुनिया में, हर चीज़ का एक नेम है और वो नेम आपके पास क्या कहलाता है? नाउन कहलाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, look at the definition. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. नाउन आपके पास क्या है? किसी भी चीज का नाम आपके पास नाउन कहलाता है. पर्सन, व्हाट इज पर्सन? पर्सन मीन्स अस, इंसान, या फिर किसी भी इंसान का नेम आपके पास नाउन है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अली, गर्ल, सारा एंड ETC. देन प्लेस. प्लेस, व्हाट इज प्लेस? प्लेस मीन्स जगह के नाम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, पार्क, कराची, स्कूल. देन एनिमल. व्हाट इज एनिमल? एनिमल्स मीन्स जानवरों के नाम, एनिमल्स नेम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, डॉग, फॉक्स एंड कैट. देन कम टू द थिंग. व्हाट इज थिंग? थिंग क्या होती हैं? चीजें. किसी भी चीज का नाम भी आपके पास नाउन कहलाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस बोट. दिस बोट इज ऑल्सो अ noun. This copy is also a noun. Pen is also a noun. Now come to the more example. Ali is smart. In this sentence, Ali is the name of a person. It's a noun. Then dog is a faithful, faithful, faithful animal. Here, dog is a name of an animal. So it means it's a noun. Now let's find some noun in this class. This boat. This boat also has a name. The name of this thing is boat and that name is called noun. Copy. Then chalk, fan, duster and this desk. Everything has a name. इन सब चीज़ों का एक नाम है and that name is called noun. Now I am giving you homework. Note down your homework. Now note down your homework. Like we find some noun in this class, in the same way you also find some noun at your home and write in your copy. Find 5 nouns at your home and write in your copy. This is your diary. First you have to fill the cover page with basic information like write your name, class, section, subject and roll number. Subject is diary. Then fill the first page with the help of your parents. Then here you have to make the title page of first semester. Then maintain your diary regularly. Write date here, day here, week and month. Here subject is E3. तो आप यहाँ लिखेंगे E3. Then write your diary. The diary is find some noun at your home. Find at least 5 nouns at your home and write in your copy. Then come to the chapter number 2. Yes, now we are starting chapter number 2. The name of chapter number 2 is kinds of noun. There are 4 kinds of noun according to your book. Number 1 is common noun, C-O-M-M-M-O-N, common noun. Second one is proper noun, P-R-O-P-E-R, proper noun. Third one is abstract noun, A-B-S-T-R-A-C-T, abstract noun. Fourth one is collective noun, C-O-L-L-E-C-T-I-V-E, collective noun, N-O-U-N, noun. According to your book, there are 4 kinds of noun. First one is common noun, proper noun, abstract noun and collective noun. Common means common thing, pupil. Common, pupil and thing. Then proper noun, proper noun means particular name. Particular name of a person or place. Then abstract noun are those nouns which you can only think of. Then collective noun, collection of people or thing or animal. First one is common noun. Now come to the first one. First one is common noun. Common means ordinary, bilkul aam sa. Those noun, common noun indicate the common people, common thing. Common thing means those noun which you can easily find all over the world. ऐसे noun जो आपको easily सब जगह पे मिल जाएं. For example, a boy. आप कहीं पे भी जाएंगे, you will find a boy everywhere. A copy आपको मिलेगी. Shoes, girl. Common noun is the name of a common people and thing. For example, boys, girls, chairs, books. Then come to the second one is proper noun. Proper noun means particular name of a person or place. For example, Karachi is a particular name of place. Pakistan, America, and then name, anybody's name, किसी का भी नाम, like Ali. Ali आपके पास proper name है, but remember proper noun always begin with a capital letter. Now come to the third one. Third one is abstract noun. Abstract noun are those noun which we can only think of but cannot touch or taste. Abstract noun ऐसे noun होते हैं जिसे हम सिर्फ सोच सकते हैं. For example, but हम उन्हें touch नहीं कर सकते. For example, goodness. For example, goodness, किसी की अच्छाई. Joy, खुशी. Hate, love. Then collective noun. Collective noun is a collection of people or thing, but they all consider as one. For example, team. In team, there are many players, but they all consider as one. Family. In family, there are many people in a family, but they all are considered as one. In class, class में आपके पास बहुत सारे student होते हैं, but they all counted as one as class. Then flock means group of bird. आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारे birds एक साथ जा रहे होते हैं, तो वो एक bird count नहीं होता है, उसके लिए हम use करते हैं flock means group of bird. I repeat again, there are 4 kinds of noun according to your book. Number 1 is common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun. Common noun is a common name to given people or thing. Proper noun is a particular or special name for thing and place, for people and place. Abstract noun are those noun which we can only think of but cannot touch or taste. Collective noun. Collective noun is a collection of people, animal or thing. Then I am giving you homework. Note down your homework. You have to write 5 nouns of each kind. आपने क्या करना है, हर काइंड के 5 नाउन्स आपने लिखना है. कॉमन नाउन आपने सर्च करके 5 लिखने हैं, प्रॉपर नाउन आपने 5 लिखने हैं, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन 5 लिखने हैं, एंड देन कॉमन नाउन भी आपने 5 लिखने हैं. नाउ कम टू आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, आवर नेक्स्ट चैप्टर नंबर. Here it is your content with solution. In this your work is mentioned. You will do the copy work in your copy and do the book work in your book. Solve exercises on your book like this. Book exercise number 1 on page 13. Page 13 पे जो आपकी exercise है वो. The question of this exercise is underline the common noun and circle the proper noun. Common noun को आपने क्या करना है, underline करना है, और proper noun को आपने इस तरह से सर्कल बनाना है आइडेंटिफाई करके. ओके, नाउ रीड द सेंटेंस. नाउ रीड द सेंटेंस नंबर 1. Samina is her cousin. What is Samina here? Samina is a particular name of a girl. It means it's a proper noun. So proper noun, circle it, and then it's a cousin. Cousin is a common noun. Underline it. Come to the number 2. Annie played with her brother. Annie is the name of a specific girl, particular name. It means इसको आपने circle करना है and then brother underline करना है. In this way you have to solve the exercise. Now come to the exercise number. Now there is exercise number 3 on page 17. The question is underline the collective noun. Sentence is for this short flight the plane needs a crew for only 3. इस सेंटेंस में आपने आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि कलेक्टिव नाउन कौन सा है, विच इज कलेक्टिव नाउन. फॉर दिस शॉर्ट फ्लाइट द प्लेन नीड्स अ क्रू ऑफ ओनली 3 पीपल. क्रू का मतलब होता है अ टीम, so it's mean it's a collective noun. In the same way you will solve the exercise. In today's class we studied week number 1 and 2. If you have any problem, do watch this video again and again so your problem can be resolved. In next continue we will discuss the week number 3. Take care, Allah Hafiz.